Today we're making this high profit wood art so you can sell it too. If you're over 40, a woodworker, and looking to earn some extra money on nights and weekends or around your job, or to boost your retirement, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Donna, and on our channel we show different woodworking projects with high profit margins, most made with scrap, that have sold well for us so you can make and sell them too. Today we're making this bear, and if you check out our new website, which we're very excited about, ideas2ididit.com, you will find this project is available for free when you sign up for our newsletter. So you can get the project downloaded, it'll get emailed to you right away, and then you can make this right along with us. So we're going to begin by cutting out all the pieces on the scroll saw, and I use scrap wood. So I print out 2 copies of the pattern, and I use one as my legend and then the other to glue down to the wood, and then I cut it out. And then once it's cut out, I sand it, and then we're going to go ahead and stain. And you can see here I'm using a golden oak color for the majority of the face of the bear, and then I'm going to use some of the dark walnut just to give some contrast. One of the things I really try to focus on when I'm doing wood art is how to really build that dimension, and you can do that with some different colored stains. I really hope you go over to our website, ideas2ididit.com, and download this pattern and really give it a try. Okay, so I am using a quick dry wood glue. We use this LePage one, we like it. So all I'm going to do is put just a little bit in between the sections. And this isn't the final glue. Remember, it will be glued down on the backing. This is just to help me get everything spaced out nicely. All right, so we'll continue. As well, on our website, you're going to find project info, pictures, and a blog, and you'll find information. We expand on our techniques and on our processes over there in the blogs, so you can go and check those out, and you'll see a bit more I guess, in detail of the different steps that we do. And as always, we do have lots of wood art projects on our channel. Please go check them out. And this bear is actually a sequel to a bear video we did a few months back that's done very well. So go check that one out. And all of our patterns are sold in our Etsy store. This particular one isn't because it's a free giveaway on our website, but all of the other ones are. And so that the link to that is always in the description below as well. And so now I'm doing a bit of shadow work. This is something that I'm sure you've seen me do many times. It's something I like to do. I just use a bit of watered down paint to really try to create some depth and dimension. I do have a full video on this technique and how you can create the shadows and dimensions. I'll leave it in the link in the description below, so you can go check that one for the full tutorial. I do it in real time. But basically, you take watered down paint and you really try to accentuate the cuts and to really increase the dimension. And then I also use that same watered down paint to create shadows to really help create the depth. Like you can see here, I'm really working around the eyes and the muzzle to really create that 3D effect in something that's flat. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We love to hear from you. And if this is the sort of thing you like, please consider liking this video and subscribing. We have lots more to come, and we'd love to have you along. And as a final touch here, I'm using a bit of gold gilding wax to just add a sparkle of gold as a highlight. But you definitely don't need to do this. I really do enjoy the process of doing the painting and the little extras with the highlights. So we really hope you enjoyed this. We really hope you'll go to our website, ideas2ididit.com, and get this pattern for free and give it a try. And we hope you really love it. We appreciate your time and watching these videos and commenting. And we really are excited about the community we're building. And we really want to thank you for that. So I'm just going to finish up with the gilding wax, doing a few highlights on the muzzle and on the nose, just to give it that little extra sparkle. And then we'll go ahead and we will frame this piece using Chris's 2x4 frame method, where you basically can get a great frame for all of these different types of wood art for roughly around $1. We have a separate video explaining that whole process. I'll leave that in the description as well if you want to check that out. And again, we can't thank you enough. We've been really enjoying making these videos and getting to know all of you. And it's been a really great time. And we appreciate your time so much. So thanks. Here's the finished project. I hope you like it and have a wonderful day.